The High Point University dance team is in the middle of their second season inside the Cobain Arena. I spent time at their media day talking about where they've improved, some of their favorite moments, and where they're looking to go next.
The High Point dance team is back in action for their second season performing inside the Cobain Arena. Coming back from last season, sophomore Bailey Burdine has noticed a shift in the team's skill set.
I'd say our dancing abilities and technique has improved a lot from last year. Last year was strictly palm dance, which is just a lot of shapes that you're hitting, which is still very neat, but this is more in-depth dance, more detailed and harder, and it's really fun.
While Burdine loves to perform, she shares that some of her favorite moments and memories have been made off the court.
I honestly would say just the team bonding moments, just getting to do things together, when we go out to dinner together, just we're having a little Christmas party coming up, just little team bonding.
Julia Segala, a senior on the dance team, says the team has one goal at the forefront of their mind heading into the second half of their season.
I think it's always just to, make the team the best it can be. Always work on making the dances cleaner, sharper, making them harder. We want every single dance to be harder and more fun and interesting to look at than the last ones. We're always trying to beat the last dance.
You can watch the team perform live inside the Cobain Arena at every men's and women's home basketball game. Reporting for Q Sports, I'm Megan Hovey.